Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Nissan Murano. First, gather your new oil, a new oil filter, a drain pan, a wrench, and a funnel. Make sure your engine is cool to the touch to avoid burns. You will need to safely lift the front of the vehicle to access the drain plug and oil filter located underneath. Always prioritize safety when working under a car. Once you have access, place your drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug. Using the correct wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Be prepared for the oil to start flowing immediately. Let the old oil drain completely into the pan. This usually takes several minutes. Ensure the pan can hold the full capacity of your engine's oil. After the oil has drained, remove the old oil filter. It might be tight, so a filter wrench can be helpful. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the gasket of your new filter before screwing it on by hand until snug. Then, replace the drain plug securely. Finally, pour the recommended amount of new, clean oil into the engine's fill port. Lower your vehicle and start the engine, letting it run for 1 minute to circulate the new oil. Turn it off, wait a few minutes, then check the dipstick to ensure the oil level is correct. Also, inspect underneath for any leaks around the drain plug or filter. Remember to take your used oil to an approved recycling center. For more great deals and the link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.